So let's start. So this is question number 29. See here, a rod lies along the x-axis with one end at the origin and the other at x is equal to infinity or x tends to infinity. It carries a uniform charge lambda coulomb per meter, means definitely they have given linear charge density, and the electric field at the point x is equal to minus a on the axis will be. Okay, means how he is asking. Let me draw the diagram. So first they have given two axes, we can say, and there is a rod. You can see this. This is a rod which is placed along this, and they have given the lambda. Lambda means what today? Q by L, है ना? Lambda is equal to dq by dl or q by L, we can say dq by dl. This is equal to how much they have given? Lambda only, है ना? Whatever it is in coulomb meter, just lambda value means lambda only. So this is lambda, that is linear charge density, and definitely this is one end of this rod is at 0 and another end is x is equal to or x tends to infinity, means this rod is so much long, we can say. So this is x tends to infinity also, this end, right? Now what he is asking, electric field at the point x is equal to minus a on the axis will be. Now see, one point they have given which is along negative x-axis. Which axis? Negative x-axis. So if I am taking this point is x and its coordinates are what? Minus a comma 0, we can say this point. So what is the electric field at this point he is asking? So see, from the one end of the rod, because positive charge is here on this rod, yes. So from one end of the rod, whatever the electric field is there, that will be in which side? Away from this side, means away from this point. So your electric field direction will be along which axis? Negative x-axis. You can see here, away from this charge or away from this point, we can say. So this is what? Electric field. And now at this point we have to find. So what is the electric field formula? E is equal to see what we will get due to linear charge. Yes, lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught into a, and this is what? Minus I cap. Why? Because it is along the negative x-axis, and that's why your option should be, which one should be your option? Which one? Option number A, taking minus I cap. Yes. Finished.
Overs.
Okay. Next one. Next question you see now. Question number 30. An alpha particle of mass. What he has given? An alpha particle of mass 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 27. Okay. Next charge on alpha particle is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is situated in a uniform electric field of 1.6 into 10 to the power 5 volt per meter. The velocity of the particle at the end of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter path when it starts from rest is. How to do this? Very simple. What to do first? We will find out acceleration. So first I am writing given things. Listen carefully, very easy. Given mass of alpha particle is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Next, Q on alpha particle is how much? 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Next, they have given electric field. Electric field is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 volt per meter. Next, it is starting from rest means U is equal to 0 and distance also they have given, that is yes. How much that is? 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And what he is asking? Velocity at the end. Okay, this is what he is asking. So first, because you see v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This formula we can use, but we don't have acceleration. We don't have acceleration. So we know formula. What is that? F is equal to ma. And therefore we know this also QE is equal to ma. And that implies A is equal to what? A is equal to what? Bolo. A is equal to F we have? No, but we want the acceleration now. So direct I am doing A is equal to QE by M. What I am doing? QE by M. Substitute all the values. So you are getting, or last only we can substitute, not an issue. So what I am doing, acceleration we know QE by M. So you have everything. Now v square minus u square is equal to 2a. Yes, u is 0. So v square is equal to 2 into this q of alpha into e divided by m of alpha into this yes. So this is what your v square. So v square is equal to 2 into q alpha क्या है? 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 into electric field 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 and divided by mass of alpha particle कितना है? 6.4 into 10 to the power 27. Now see this 3.2 and this 2, 6.4, this will get cancelled here. है ना? Okay. Now this 19, 5 and this, how much? Minus 2, minus 5, minus 19. कितना हुआ? How much? Check करो. How much you are getting? ये तो 19 है ना, 5 है ना, +5 है ये तो. हाँ यहाँ पे गलती है, देखो ये प्लस करना है यहाँ पे. तो ये +5 ऐसे रखो, इसको कट मत करो. This is +5 ना. So let it be like this only. +5. तो ये 19 और ये -2 कितना हुआ? Yes. ये जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है ये प्लस है. यहाँ पे प्लस देखो एक बार. ये प्लस साइन. गिवन में हमने रॉन्ग लिखा है. राइट. अब देखो एक बार, ये मैं इधर प्लस करता हूँ. यस नो. देखो ये है +5. राइट. अब कैंसिल करेंगे. -19 -2 और ये -27 चलेगा, कितना हुआ? ये +6 आ रहा है ना? ये -6 नीचे, सही है ना? -19 -2 -21, तो ये -6 नीचे, ऊपर गया तो +6, तो ये क्या रहेगा देखो अब, v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1.6 इंटू 2 इंटू ये 5 और ये +6 कितना हुआ? 10 पावर 11। चेक करो, जस्ट चेक इट वंस, just check it once, is it everything is right? Please check it fast. Yes, checked everyone. So this is 3.2 into 10 to the power 11. So I can write like this, v square is equal to 32 into 10 to the power 10. अब v is equal to under root 32 into 10 to the power 5. 32 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 16 twos are, 16 twos are means what you will get? 4 root 2 into 10 to the power 5 मीटर पर सेकंड। चेक करो एक बार, सही है? एक बार चेक करो सब लोग, ऑप्शन सही है? क्वेश्चन नंबर, हाँ, 4 रूट 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 5 आ रहा है, सही है? तो ऑप्शन डी होना चाहिए, है ना? यस, क्लियर है?
Yes.
ओके, so let's go ahead. Shall I clear? Yes, Akshita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone finish? Shall I clear?
Yes, sir. Come.
Okay. Now next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलेंगे।
ఇంత మందిని అన్ని దోచుకున్నాడు కూడా తెలియదు.
Right. Now see here, this question. A charged oil drop of mass. So they have given mass of this charged oil drop. And what he is asking, let's see. The field between the charges means what he is asking. He is asking you electric field. Like this model already we have solved. Okay. So see, given क्या है देखो, given m is equal to 9.75 into 10 to the power minus 15 kg, and charge q is given 30 into 10 to the power minus 16 coulomb, is suspended in a uniform electric field existing between two parallel plates. Means E we don't know, we have to find. And he is asking, or he is saying, take G as a 10 meter per second. Now see, it is suspended. Suspended matlab what? Same like we have seen one problem. See, neither fall nor rises. Charge drop, neither fall nor rises. है ना? Same like that case only, nothing change, same application, just the wording is different. Means see here suspended na. So this charged drop will have two things or two forces we can say. What is that? Here in upward direction you are having QE, that is electrostatic force, and downward is mg. As it is suspended, these two are equal and opposite, and therefore mg is equal to QE. Now you want E, therefore E is equal to mg by Q. Can you do it yourself? ये G है नहीं Q है, नीचे Q लिखो, mg by Q. Okay, can you do it yourself? Do it fast. Substitute the values and do it. Don't see the board. Okay. This 9.75 into 10, 97.5. This 10 power minus 1 and this 0 I have cancelled, divided by 3. That's it. This is what your answer is. 97.5 divided by 3. देखो कितना आता है? कितना आएगा? 32.5. Yes, Abhiram. So 32.5. This is what your electric field. Everyone got the answer. These questions are very, very important. You will get 2 questions if you will perfect in these all, whatever I am solving. Yes, understand? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear कर दूं? Yes, clear कर दूं? Yes, Abhiram बोलो.
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Okay, let's go to the next question. A negatively charged oil drop. Here, a negatively charged oil drop is prevented from falling under gravity by applying a vertical electric field of 100 volt per meter if the mass of the drop is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram, the number of electrons carried by the drop is. This is also same model, just a little change. You see how they are asking question. Again, same formula, but one step extra we have to do after finding charge. That is, we have to find number of electrons by using quantization of charge. Let's see how to do this question or how to solve this problem. See here, first I am writing given things. Electric field is given. How much electric field is? 100 volt per meter. And mass of the drop also given. How much that is? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram. So many of you will substitute as it is. That option is also there. You will get wrong answer. First convert it into kg. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. because 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. So m is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. Next, G is given. G is how much? 10 meter per second square. Number of electrons he is asking. So before that, he is also asking Q also. Q is equal to question mark. So as usual model, this is also neither rise nor fall type of model. So here also you are having two forces which are equal and opposite. So this is QE and down is mg. So this QE is equal to mg. So now first I will find out Q, because Q is equal to, I am getting mg by E, mg by capital E, hai na? Okay, and now this Q is equal to Ne, because number of electrons we have to find. So we know Q is equal to Ne. So therefore, Ne is equal to mg by capital E. Now transfer this E also this side. So number of electrons is equal to what? mg divided by small e into capital E. तो substitute करो. M कितना है? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6. G is 10 divided by, this is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिया है क्या? यस 100. ओके, तो अब देखो ये 1.6 कैंसल, this 1.6 cancel, this minus 6 and this minus 19, how much left? Bolo, how much left? Minus 13, minus 13. And then this 100 means 10 power 2. So again I am cancelling. This is how much left? Minus 11. तो अब ये ऊपर जाएगा. So this is 10 into 10 to the power minus 11 or plus 11, because this is minus when it is going up plus. Now this is 10 power 1 and this is 10 power 11. So your answer should be which option? Bolo. Yes, 10 power 12. So answer should be N is equal to 10 power 12. No unit. Why? Because it is just a number of electrons, and that's why your answer is option number C, that is 10 power 12 number of electrons. Understood everyone? Clear hai?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear kar दूं?
Yes, sir.
Vishwanath, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, next question. Question number 33. See here, an electron initially at rest falls a distance of 1.5 centimeter in a uniform electric field of magnitude 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. The time taken by the electron to fall to this distance is. So in this case now we have to find time. What we have to find? Time. So let's see how to solve this. So before what I am doing, I am writing given things above. Okay, given. Distance is given. S is equal to 1.5 centimeter. This is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Next, in a uniform electric field, they have given electric field also. How much that is? 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. And time taken you have to find. And initially at rest means U is equal to 0. Okay. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? S is equal to UT plus half AT square use करेंगे क्या? Yes, no. Shall we use that formula? S is equal to UT plus half AT square, है ना? Right है? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. U is 0. So S is equal to only half a t square. Yes or no? And therefore this 2s is equal to at square, and that implies t square is equal to 2s by a, and therefore t is equal to under root of 2s by a. But what is a here? What is a here? Bolo bolo. What is a here? A you know. Direct I am writing now. QE by m. Yes, no. QE by m. And this is electron. So charge on electron is how much? Obviously, how much it is? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And mass of electron they gave? No. So we know. We have to assume that mass also. How much mass? Bolo, mass kitna hai? M is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay, so let's substitute this now. Therefore, T is equal to under root of 2s by QE by m. So I am writing here m above. So let's substitute now all the values, and therefore T is equal to under root of 2 into s value. Bolo s value kitna hai? 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. M 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 divided by what? Bolo Q. Q kitna hai? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into electric field kitna diya? 2 into 10 to the power 4. है ना? Okay. Now see, this minus 19 will get cancelled with this. How much left? Bolo. -22 कितना है? -22 है क्या? यस बोलो.
12 sir.
हाँ, अब देखो ये दो इसके साथ कैंसिल करता हूँ, ये दो दो चले गया. 9.1 1.5 1.6 एंड ये 4 ऊपर, तो आपको आ जाएगा 1.5 into 9.1 into 1.6 divided. दिस इज 10 पावर कितना? -24 plus 4 कितना होगा? -24 plus 4 सही है क्या? चेक करो. -24 plus 4 -28. चेक करो एक बार. यस सही है सब कुछ, एक बार चेक करो.
Sir, there 12 should be 12 now.
हाँ
10 power minus 31 and 10 power minus 19. There you
यहाँ
wrote
पर कितना
minus
आ रहा है?
24 sir.
हाँ यस राइट. यहाँ पे गलत हो गया है ना, ये 12 है ना, ये 12 करो, यस। हाँ, और कुछ देखो तो ये कितना होगा, कितना आ रहा है यहाँ पे देखो, ये 12 हुआ तो कितना होता है, 18 होता है क्या, चेक करो। ये -12, ये -12, ये -2, -14 और ये -4, 18 हो गया ना, है ना। नाउ इट इज ओके, चेक इट वंस। यस, चेक करो, चेक करो एवरीवन, चेक इट, इज इट राइट। ओके, क्लियर, सही है क्या सब कुछ, चेक करो। यस, अब करो ये, तो ये 1.6 और 1.5 नियरली 0.9, आई थिंक ऑप्शन डी आना चाहिए, देखो नियरली, है ना। अगर हम राउंड ऑफ भी करें तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी आना चाहिए, चेक
Sir,
करो।
2.932.
हाँ, समथिंग लाइक दिस यू शुड गेट, ऑप्शन नंबर डी आ रहा है, चेक करो। अरे ये 1.5 1.6 नियरली कैंसल, 9 means under root of 9 nearly 3 na, so only nearly 3 whatever it is, that is only the answer, yes no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, हाँ, ओके, चलो जल्दी करेंगे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हो गया, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो जल्दी, सही है क्या सब कुछ, यस, ऑप्शन डी आना चाहिए, है ना। क्लियर कर दो अभिराम।
Yes, sir.
ओके, श्रेया आ रहा है समझ में, ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 34। जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे, एक बार क्वेश्चन रीड करो। अ चार्ज्ड ऑयल ड्रॉप of mass 3.2 into 10 to the power of -12 ग्राम, तो गिवन है, फिर से सेम मॉडल अगेन, देखो मास इज गिवन 3.2 into 10 to the power -12 ग्राम, इसको फिर से केजी में करो, 3.2 into 10 to the power of -15, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग नाउ, ओके, चेक करो, राइट, दिस इज व्हाट मास, 2 horizontal plates, parallel plates maintain at potential difference of this, phi is given now 980 volt, and separation between the plates d 2 into 10 to the power -2 meter. The number of electrons n, deficient electrons means n he is asking, and आपको चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन तो मालूम ही है ना, चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है, 1.6 into 10 to the power of -19 कूलम, है कि नहीं। और उसके बाद मास तो दिया है ना ड्रॉप का, ठीक है, तो अभी फिर से वही मॉडल है, suspension model or neither rise neither fall. तो यहाँ पे QE is equal to mg, QE is equal to क्या करना है, mg करना है. आप ये सॉल्व करो, ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन वाला पार्ट चेक करो. QE is equal to mg, same model, and now number of electrons only he is asking. So QE is equal to mg by E, but यहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is equal to V by D. So therefore Q is equal to mg divided by V by D, and that implies Q is equal to mgd divided by V. अब Q is equal to क्या है, यानी we know Q is equal to what, यानी. So therefore यानी is equal to mgd by V, and therefore यानी is equal to mgd by V into E. Now substitute all the values. 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 10 into D value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by V कितना है, 980 into this E 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. ये सॉल्व करो, you will get number of electrons कितना आएगा इसमें, देखो N is equal to deficient electrons, and that is equal to 4. This is what answer. You can check it. Option number B is the correct answer. Do it yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Check karo. Okay. Okay, we will stop here. Bye.